the jury divided on their decision. Here is and have. According to you, what will be the suitable helping verb, suitable verb here? Number 1. Here will be plural verb. The jury have divided on their decision, or we can say the jury have been divided. When we can write have been divided. Now, why I have written have? Due to the word is divided. That is the technique. That is the trick. The word whenever comes divided with a jury, and here is another symbol. There is the possessive case of they. That is why we use a have plural verb in this sentence. These are the tricks. Whenever you will find divided word and their possessive case, then you have to write down plural verb with the sentence. Number 2, the jury had given its verdict of not guilty. Here is have. These are the options. According to you, what will be the right answer? The right answer will be has singular verb, because here is the technique, here is the symbol, here is the sign to identify. Here is the sign to recognize that this is the its possessive case, a kind of sentence in which you find its possessive case instead of there. We must write down singular verb. Here is number 3. The crew of the ship awakened is are have has. Similarly, third form here is awakened, is awakened. We can write down is awakened, was awakened, has awakened. Singular verb here is used collectively. That is why we must write down singular verb. But here is another example, number 4. The crew is coming from different directions of the sea. Now here is oblique are. Here we must use are, because here crew is divided. Crew are coming from different directions, means members of crew, means members of staff are coming from different directions. We can say, or we can say 2 or 3 categories of crew are coming from different directions. That is why here we must use plural verb. Here is another 5. The committee meet or meets at 3 p.m. Generally, here will be singular verb meets. But number 6, the committee divided on their issue. There is a possessive case. There is possessive case. That is why we have to write down have or are divided on their decision. The word same divided should be noted, and possessive case is there. That is why we must use plural verb. The wages of daily workers been raised, have been raised. Plural verb, because here wages means salaries. Salaries is known as plural. Salaries of daily workers have been raised. यानी daily workers की जगह जेकी जो पगार हुआ है उन्हनि में इजाफो कयो वियो. The wages of sin is death. Here the wages means punishment. गुनाह की सजा मौत है. हिन गुनाह की सजा मौत है. The wages of this sin is death. That is why here we have to use singular verb. The team won its trophy. There is possessive case its. That is why we have to use singular verb. The team has won its trophy. But here is another example, number 10. The team been given their medals. Their medals have been given. If a kind of sentence in which you never find a possessive case there, but the sentence will be in the same category, been given medals, then we use we can use the plural verb because each member of the team have been given, each member of the team has been given medals. Individually, members of team are getting medals. That is why that is the performance individually, but not collectively. Here is the performance collectively in number 9. The team has won its trophy. Means collectively that is performance. That is why singular verb here carries. And in this way format plural verb. My family consists S added S. Singular verb is consists of. Here will be with S in the first form of consists of 7 members. But here is her family are angry with us. Means each member of family is angry with us. That is why individually we can say her family are angry with us. Her family is angry with us. It will be wrong. But here my family consists of 7 members. Whenever you will find members, then you must use singular verb. Here is number 13 and the last word means. Means meaning source. This means of transport is very convenient. Convenient means suitable, relax. ही सवारी जो जरियो देखो ही सवारी जो जरियो आसाइशमंद आहे, convenient आहे, suitable आहे. Singular verb थी no verb. This means of transport is, that is why here must be singular verb because means shows a single idea. But here is my means for supporting my children are limited. Here means of meaning will be sources. Plural. Here the source singular. Zariya wasila. मुझे ॿारनि जी मदद लाइ जेके वसीला आहिनि मुंहिंजा उहे मख़सूस आहिनि, महदूद आहिनि. वसीला मूं वटि महदूद आहिनि. So in this way, means gives us a sense of plural. That is why plural verb we must use. In this way, the means is used as a singular. That is why we must singular verb. So a singular verb. So these are the words to whom we can use both singular as well as plural verbs according to conditions. We must keep in our mind the conditions what I just told you. Here are few words: dozen, pair, head, foot, year, 100, and so on. There are so many words we can use in a sentence I have written here, and how we can have to use these sentences. He has 2 heads of cattle. Head means a pair. Here is pair, here is pair, here is pair. So these are the same. Dozen means items, 12 things consist of 1 dozen. Foot you know measurement, year 100. So heads, he has 2 heads. 2 is already plural, that is why here will be heads is incorrect. Their correct answer will be he has 2 head of cattle. So we have no need to add s in these words, but there are some conditions in which due to those conditions we can use add s. How? Here is he has 2 head of cattle. मतलब हिन खे 2 जोड़ा आहिनि चौपाई माल जा, 2 जोड़ा, 2 हेड. हाणे जॾहिं वरी असां चवंदासीं हिन खे कीअं एस मिलायूं. हाणे चवंदासीं ही हैज़ many heads of pigeons. हिन खे कबूतर जा केतिरा ई जोड़ा आहिनि. Many is unlimited. Means there is not exact number. Here is exact number 2, definite number. Whenever you will find definite number with these, so there is no need to add s with these words, dozen, pair, head, foot, year, 100. But without a definite number we can add s. As I have written here, he has many heads of pigeons. उन्होंने कितना ही जोड़ा आहिनि कबूतरनि जा. That is correct. But in this format that is wrong. This point must be keep in your mind. Number 2, I have got 3 dozens of eggs. Here is definite number, so there is no need to add dozens. But the right answer will be dozen. Without s, I bought 3 dozen of eggs, but not dozens. If we delete a definite number, then we can say, here are few dozens of eggs, many dozens. Suppose the factory workers have broken or damaged many dozens of eggs because they were gone off. फैक्ट्री जेके कारकुन आहिनि केतिरा ई डज़न जेको आहे सो आनंद जा भञी छॾिया छाकाणि जो ख़राबु हुया त मेनी डज़न्स फ्यू डज़न्स सम डज़न्स कैन बी बट व्हेन वी एड डेफिनेट नंबर देयर इज नो नीड टू एड s with dozen. It is already plural. Number 3, she bought 2 pairs of spectacles. Pairs not but will be pair. As I said, no need to s these words. हिन सां s मिलाइण जी ज़रूरत न आहे. I bought 2 pair of spectacles. मां चश्मनि जा 2 जोड़ा ख़रीद कया. Now you will find many pairs of spectacles in this shop. हिन शॉप में तव्हांखे केतिरा ई जोड़ा मिलंदा spectacles जा. Here is correct. Many pairs of shoes I have been wearing since many years. Since the last 2 years. I have been wearing, I have been taking on, I have been putting on many pairs of shoes. You correct, many pairs of shoes, few pairs of shoes, some pairs of shoes, correct. But number is the incorrect, no pairs number. The number is no need of it. I have 2 braces of pairs. So brace word, you will pair the other word, and head the other word. Parrots, पखियुनि सां इस्तेमाल थींदो आहे. हिन में s न आहे मिलाइणी. I have 2 brace of parrots. मूंखे तोतनि जा 2 जोड़ा आहिनि. 2 जोड़ा means 4 parrots. Teacher has brought a 3 feet rule. Here is 3 definite number. There will be foot, but not feet. That is correct. The teacher has brought a 3-foot rule or stick. I once again write. Foot will be the right answer. Definite number, due to definite number. Nadeem is a 5 years old boy. Here is the 5. That is why year it will be, but not years. Years is wrong. That is wrong. Year, because 5 and there is indefinite article. Similarly, like this sentence, I give you more example. I have a 5 rupee note, but not I have a 5 rupees note. Due to indefinite article a and 5 is the definite number, that is why there is no need to add s with rupees, with rupee. Note there is also, that is why single note I am talking about. I have a 5 rupee note, but not I have a 5 rupees note. When we exclude indefinite article a from the sentence, we can say, and note also we must exclude or delete. Then we can say 5 rupees notes. I have many 5 rupees notes. I have many 5 rupees notes. I have many 10 rupees notes. I have many 100 rupees notes. That is correct. But I have a 100 rupee note. I have a 100 rupee note, but not I have a 100 rupees. It will be incorrect. So similarly, and these are the usages of different words according to verb subject agreement. So I sum up here my lecture. Inshallah, see you again. Allah Hafiz.